guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza. I'm a full-time content creator and I live in Pittsburgh currently with my fiance and our Labradoodle Indio, who is back there, and he may be whining a little bit throughout this video, just so you guys know. So I am going to be doing a little bit of decorating with my thrift finds from my most recent thrift haul. So the ones that I'm planning on keeping, those are the ones that I'm styling in this video. So I figured that since I was planning on filming these videos for TikTok, I would also get the footage for a YouTube video. So I'll be showing you guys the items and then showing you how and where I will be decorating with it in my apartment. So it's kind of a haul, but also kind of a decorate with me, just showing you guys how I style my thrift finds. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you guys the items first. Okay, so here are most of the items that I am keeping, and then also that blue crocheted purse, which I'll show you guys later. But these are the ones I'm planning on styling with in this video, and then those ones I will be storing for later. So let's see, what do I want to get started with? Indio, any ideas? So I found this really unique wood piece that looks like hands that are either like scooping water, maybe like drinking water or something like that. I wanted to look up this item and I haven't gotten the chance to yet, but I feel like it's such a unique piece and it looks really good with like the decor here in my little seating area. So I was thinking about styling it there, and I could either put some like little candies in it for the fall season we've got coming up, or I could even like use it to put rings in, just anything that I would want to place here while I'm here sitting, something like that. And I think that looks really cool with these like tropical feels in here. So this was actually from not my last thrift haul, but the one before that. And I wanted to basically use it as like a little flower basket or like an herb basket. So like for collecting herbs in a garden, something like that. I actually have these little faux fall foliage greenery, I'm not sure what you would call it. I got these little bundles for $3 each at Target, and I'm actually gonna separate these, but I just wanted to like spread them around my apartment for some like fall autumnal decor. So I thought that'd be really cute in this basket. And I just have that sitting here on this chair in my entryway. So I have a couple of items in the kitchen I want to show you guys. I thrifted these wood bowls recently, and I wanted to keep these for serving bowls, and I actually need to buy a little hutch for this like spot just off of my kitchen, which I'll show you guys just after this. But I'm planning on storing those in that little hutch because I don't have like a ton of storage in the kitchen, a decent amount, but believe it or not, these are all basically full. So a little backup storage would be nice. And then I'll just bring them out for dinner parties, for holiday dinners, things like that. And I love the look of these, especially this one here with the matching wooden spoon that came with it. And both of those were like $1 each, I think. And then I also have these really cute little terracotta pots. I still need to look these up. I'm finding like confusing information, contradictory information. Some things that I'm finding online say that you can cook with these, bake with these. Some of them say that you can't, and I'm just not sure how to tell otherwise. They don't have a brand name either, so all they say on the bottom is 06, I think. So I can't really look them up or anything. So for now, they're just gonna be sitting on this shelf looking cute. which I have no problem with. I love the coloring of them. It's kind of like a pale pink color. It's different than like the terracotta color that you see otherwise. It's kind of like a fleshier color, which I thought was really pretty. And I think it looks perfect for a shelf decor. I'm probably going to be changing up my shelves soon because I want to decorate for fall. I'll be doing that once I get back from my trip to Charlottesville to visit my BFF and meet her new baby. So yeah, I can't really show you guys how I'm going to style them since I don't have that hutch yet, but in general you can kind of see, like with my decor, I would style them with like pretty terracotta pieces, greenery, things like that. Okay, so this is the spot just off of the kitchen where I would want to put a little like hutch type cabinet, and then this would probably go somewhere else. And then I'd style some cute little decor items on top of it, and then it'll be like backup storage for all of my ceramics and wood decor pieces that I'm saving for dinner parties and just like serving and stuff like that. So still have to find it. I'm probably gonna check Facebook Marketplace, and if not, I'll just order something from Target or Amazon probably. So I thrifted this cute little wall hanging basket for $1. And this is like a good example of something that would look cute above that hutch whenever I eventually find it. And then I'd find a new home for the rainbow print, which would be fine. Unless I happen to find like a furniture piece that's like really big, and then maybe that would still work there. So we'll see, but either way, I think that this would be something that would look cute above like a little hutch or something like that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the items that I'm planning on styling in my bathroom, and I'm actually going to quickly show you guys a before and after of my bathroom that I filmed earlier this week. I don't think I included it in my videos that went up earlier this week, so I'll probably just include it in this video. But it's basically my bathroom before I changed out my shower curtain, and then what it looks like now. And I'll be styling some boho decor in there as well from this thrift haul. So let me figure out what's gonna go in there, and then I'll show you guys that really quickly. Okay guys, so I'm about to switch out this shower curtain. I finally found the perfect shower curtain from the Casa Luna line. It's this really pretty, like warm, rusty color that I think will be pretty for fall. And I also think it will just look really good in this bathroom in general, warm it up a bit, because currently the mud cloth pattern I feel like is just clashing with the marble. So I feel like a solid color like this will look really pretty, and it should fit the boho theme of my apartment. Okay, so here is what that looks like, and I think it looks super pretty. I love this color. It reminds me of like pumpkin spice, so it's perfect for fall. It is a little bit darker overall than the other, but I think that the color really complements the decor in here. It gives it that boho feel, and it doesn't clash with the subway tile or the marble flooring, so I think it looks super good, and I'm really happy with it. And this was from the Casa Luna line. I think it was like 30 bucks at Target, and I think it was the last one, so I'm really glad that I got it when I did. So all of a sudden it's gotten really dark, so I thought I'd show you guys these items out here. So basically I have this basket here, which is a nice sturdy basket that would be good for storing items. And this basket back here, I'm going to add to my basket wall in the bathroom. And then back here, that little basket I think would be cute for little like cotton balls and stuff. So looks like the sun might be coming back through, so I'll try to style those in there and then show them to you guys, and hopefully the sun will come back out. Okay, so this little basket I styled here above my toilet. I added that basket to the basket wall, and I changed it up a little bit. Sorry guys, Indio's getting impatient because he wants to go potty. So basically, I think it was it that one? Was it that one? I can't remember now. I think it was that one that I just thrifted, and then I moved those down a little bit, so it's kind of making like this cool arc, just as like a fun and affordable art feature here in the bathroom. And then this little basket that I added here, I'm gonna put cotton balls and stuff in. I just have some Q-tips in there for now. But yeah, I think that looks really cute for decor above the toilet area. Sorry it's so dark in here, guys. The sun keeps going like in and out. But I added that basket here, this like brown woven basket that I showed you guys earlier, just to put like my hair care and my skincare products in that I use every day. It's not exactly the perfect basket for that, but it's good for now. It's a great storage basket in general, so if I don't end up using it there, I'll definitely use it somewhere else. Okay, so I finally have some better light in the bathroom, so I wanted to show you guys the basket wall here with the addition of that basket. And then this little basket here, which I just have some cotton swabs in right now, but I thought that'd be really cute there to store items like that in. And they all tie in super well together. And then I also added that basket there to store some of my current favorite hair care and skincare products. And that all ties in really well with the new shower curtain from the Casa Luna line at Target. Perfect for fall. I also got this cute little ceramic dish. I love the neutral tones in it. It's got this kind of like black spackling in it. And the bottom of it is a really warm, earthy tone. Super pretty. So this bloopers here was a thrift find from my last thrift trip. And this was from a couple trips back actually. But I'm showing them both to you guys here because I had an idea the other night that I think I'll do with this wall here, which is just off of my bed. So I haven't had any ideas for this wall for quite some time, but recently I had an idea to do like a little bench here. So on the bench, I would have like maybe a houseplant styled on it, maybe like some books, cute stuff, and then maybe like baskets underneath where I could store shoes, scarves, like whatever else I just need backup storage for. And then above it, I was thinking I could do another like wood dowel type thing. Not a wood dowel, but like one of those wall hanging racks that I have in my entryway. I just need to find one, which is actually funny because I had two and I sold them on my shop, Urban Darling shop. But I just need to find another one for this idea. Or I could do a dowel, like make my own dowel, or just maybe just nails. But basically I wanted to take like my fun boho purses that I'm collecting, and I don't have anywhere, like I don't have a ton of places to display them, so that would be kind of a cool way to display them above like a bench. And I think it would make for kind of like a cool statement wall art, but also would be practical because then I'd have somewhere to store them and display them, and I think it could look really cool. So I'm not going to start that yet because I still have to find the bench, but I just wanted to show you guys what I was planning on doing with them. And I also found this basket here, which I thought would be cute for a wine basket, just like this, like a wine gift basket, or for like a picnic or something, or just to like display the wines of the night. I think it looks super cute. It's a little bit on the delicate side, so I wouldn't really carry it around, but it definitely looks very cute for a display. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel already, please be sure to subscribe for more thrifting, home, and styling videos. I am, I would say, about 95% done decorating my apartment. I've got a trip coming up to visit my best friend in Charlottesville and meet her new baby boy. So when I get back from that, I'm going to be really trying to finish decorating the rest of my apartment. I just have like a few areas, a few projects in mind that I want to finish up, and then I'll finally be able to share a fully decorated apartment tour. And then after that, I'm going to be doing some fall decorating type content. Also be sure to follow along with me on my other socials at The Urban Darling. I am on Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok, the works. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!